everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be doing an unboxing of this little box that I got in the mail that is sent through the influencer app that you can qualify to sample items for in return of your review. And this time, in a surprise, I didn't know I was going to get it. I got a Aveeno baby box, so we're gonna go ahead and open it together over here. I'm thinking it's an Aveeno product. No, duh. So we're gonna go ahead and open it right here.
The baby box?
It's a baby box, Luna. And look it says discover, review, share. Get the app now. And here is what we have in this cute little box. It says, hi, Mom. Aww, hi. It's a little card for the... It tells you about the product inside. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And we got... Oh, we just got one little item in here. And this item is the Aveeno Baby... hand and face wipes for baby sensitive skin with oat extract and aloe. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. How interesting. This one says hand and face wipes for baby sensitive skin, fragrance and alcohol free with oat extract and aloe. And this one is great because Luna has sensitive skin, and I'm not sure if baby Layla would have, but it's always extra nice to have something that is for sensitive skin, and we don't want to irritate or do anything to the baby skins. And this one says that it's enriched with natural oats extract and aloe to gently cleanse and moisturize your baby's delicate skin. How cute is that? I'm thinking this is 25 disposable wipes. It's a great size for a sample that you can actually test out. I love it. I do love Aveeno products. I think they are the best products to make your skin a little bit soft and feel moisturized. And since they're fragrance free, I don't think they're gonna have any, but let me give it a swift. Yep, they just smell like wipes. Yeah, just like yellow grapes. And it says right here, it says like there's a little face for a little kid, a little picture of a baby's face and for hands. The only safety tip says to keep out of reach of children for external use only. So you obviously don't want to leave it on the baby's hands. And a little tip from a plumber's wife: do not flush these wipes on the toilet. It even has this little thing here: no flushing on the toilet. Even if the wipes that says they're flushable, they're not. They're gonna cause you a problem on the toilet. So yeah. But yeah, that is all that I have today for this Aveeno Baby influencer unboxing, and we are so excited to try them out, and so excited for you to go and look for that in your local store and get your Aveeno Baby hands and face wipes for sensitive skin. This video was not sponsored. They totally sent me this for free in return of my review. So there you go. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below if you have already seen this product. I have not. And if you already did, comment down below where you bought it. Maybe you bought it at Walmart or Target. I don't know. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time on another video.